Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming. I do appreciate your presence and I'm super humbled and I'm really grateful for your love and support. I don't take it for granted. So today's upload, I want to prepare lunch and I have here my black nightshade. This one is called black nightshade. We call it managu in Swahili. So this is black nightshade. And I want to mix my black nightshade with amaranthus. Amaranthus, you see? I want to mix my black nightshade with amaranthus. So I have already prepared my black nightshade. I have already prepared it. And now I'm just preparing my amaranthus. You see, it's still on the stalks. So I want to remove the stalks and just mix them. Then after mixing them, I'll just come in. After mixing them, I'll wash them, then boil them. After boiling them, I am going to fry them. Yeah, okay. We're using tomatoes and onions only. Yeah, then on the side, I'm also going to do some beef meat. I'm going to do some beef meat. So this one I'll be taking it with ugali. I'll be taking it with ugali. This is a very healthy meal. This is a very healthy meal that you just can prepare at your home place. So these vegetables are so fresh and very organic from the farm. I didn't buy them from the market. I just got them from the farm and I'm so grateful. I can't wait. It has been a minute. Me eating such healthy vegetables. I love these two because they are super healthy, guys. You can just Google there and just search for the healthy benefits of amaranthus and healthy benefits of managu or black nightshade. Okay, so once again, guys, if you're watching me for the first time, kindly hit that subscribe button and just join this family. And if this is your second, third, fourth returning subscriber, my god, I'm so grateful and I really appreciate you so much. I'm so humbled by your love and support. So I'm just finishing up preparing the amaranthus, then we can go ahead and wash. So this video will be more of actions, not words. Yes, will be more of actions and not words. And so please enjoy the background music. Because I think I've already explained almost everything that you are going to do on this video. Yes. And yes, guys, on this video, yes, guys, see myself, I've done. So I'm not going to cut them into smaller pieces. I'll just go ahead and wash. So guys, on this video, I want to give a special shout out to two humans. Thank you so much. So I want to give a shout out to Belinda Melvin. Guys, if you don't have Belinda Melvin, kindly go to her YouTube channel and just go to YouTube and search Belinda Melvin. I'm going to attach the name there. Go to YouTube channel and search Belinda Melvin. And then a special shout out to Mary's Health Kitchen. Thank you so much for the love and support. I don't take it for granted. I'm super grateful and I'm so humbled. I am super grateful and I'm very humbled. So guys, I'm washing this. I don't know, it's just like you can't see how dirty they are. So I'll wash them thoroughly. First water, second, then I rinse. Then I add some little water, put them on a cooking pot, and then let them boil. After boiling, we go ahead with the other process. So thank you so much once again. Let's do this. I told you it's more of actions, not words, okay? Thank you. vegetables are all done, are all boiled, sorry. So I'm just rinsing the excess water in them. So here they are. Here are they. Oh my god. Here they are. So I'm just taking off from this. Whoosh! Oh my god. I've poured some water into my tomatoes, but very little. So when they are now fully boiled, they are here. So those are our boiled vegetables. I have already prepared our tomatoes and green pepper, and here goes our onion. So everything is all set. Everything is all set. So I'm just going ahead and start frying them, and then we fry our beef. The beef is already boiling. I had already taken you through the process on how I do my beef. So the beef is already boiling. Then I'll just go ahead and um, fry it. So on. So guys, as our beef is cooking, I've added a little amount of water so that it can cook for some time. Our managu is ready. That is our black nightshade, and amaranthus is ready. Our beef is almost ready. I've already fried it, and so I've just added some little water so that it can continue cooking. So now I want us to prepare ugali. For those who don't know, ugali is another version of like our Nigerian friends fufu. But this one, you boil water, let water boil, then you add maize flour, then you just cook. Continue adding some maize flour until your desired what is it called, consistency is achieved. So that is what ugali is all about. It's just water and maize flour, yeah, that is what, or corn flour. So yeah, that is it. So after I'm done with that cooking, then our food will be ready, then we serve all together. So keep it up here. So guys, our meal is all served. You know the rule: carbohydrates, proteins, and what? More vegetables. The plate is of inakwanga three is to two is to one. Three is to two is to one, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, our food is already so yummy, so served. So once again, thank you so much, guys, for the love, for the support. I am super humbled and I'm really grateful. Let's enjoy. Let's enjoy the meal. Look